Hey there, today I will be showing you how to install a desktop application on Linux for Instagram. So head over to this website, which will be given in the description below, and today we will be installing Istekram, which is developed by. You can also visit his website, which will also be given in the description below. So to begin installing, you can hit install and copy in this command. Now open up your terminal. You can do this by hitting Ctrl Alt T on a keyboard. Paste in the command and type in your sudo password. I have already installed it. Once it is installed for you, you can open it up. So you can search up Istekram and you can see that the icon shows. So it will only take a second for it to open, and when you open it for the first time, it will ask you to log in. So I will do that right now. It will ask you if you want to save your login info, so just click on save info so that you don't need to log in again and again. And now we can see that we have successfully opened up the Instagram desktop client. So the reason why this Instagram client is really good is because it runs really smoothly. The videos run really smoothly. For example, if I play this video, it will not buffer at all. So it played really smoothly, which is one of the reasons why I really love it. And this desktop application has all the features that you need. So you can view your posts. You can also go into your private messages and talk to people. And you can also explore. And that is about it for installing the Istekram Istekram desktop application. Once again, the credit goes to the publisher and the developer who made this. You can check his website out, which will be in the description below. And thank you for watching.